It's been a month since our friends were here and decorated our home to make it beautiful. And we've had friends come since, and everybody's amazed at the before and after. Myya B went with a contemporary look because she thought it would be great for inside, but you still have these big, beautiful windows to still look out in the desert and feel nice, warm, and cozy. One, two, three, welcome home. I love it. Doesn't even look like the same house.
Where did the painting come from?
Wow. I love it. Oh, look at that.
It actually looks really, really good.
It does.
It looks really nice.
Yeah, I love my room. I love my room.
TJ, you have a mirror too.
Look at that, TJ.
Look at that. Nice.
I love the lamps. I love it.
Dang.
Myya's got skin. Oh, nice. Oh, I like that.
This is nice.
Where are the paintings coming from? And why is there a tiny hole in the wall?
Hey, let's not point out our our walls. You see the mirror? Nice big mirror. I like that. Table. Yeah.
I know. I forgot to get it.
And look, Misha took the sand from outside.
You did.
Oh, he did.
Because this come up.
Very
The
cool.
top. They come up. And then he got these out of the yard.
Wow. Wow, look at that.
Guys, did you even see this?
Oh, a candle.
TJ,
They
look.
have a mirror.
A mirror.
No.
Yay.
I got carpet.
I know. I do love this one too.
Yeah. I love it.
Nope, nothing.
It was a good choice. I love this picture.
You made miracles out of nothing. You did good.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I walked right by it.
Oh, I noticed.
The plant?
Yeah.
Outside.
It looks good.
Right. It's so pretty in here.
Are these stackable?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's why I only
This
saw
you
one
know
in
one.
there. Okay. And then that opens?
Mm-hmm. With the pillows, blankets,
Nice.
and you can flip it and use it as a tray for drinks.
I love it. It looks like a different house. I didn't know.
And then I want to do 3 pictures here. Use TJ here.
It looks like a room that I could have dreamed of. It doesn't completely fit this gamer style, but part, I guess. I mean, I like it at least.
So unless you guys are helping us with our casitas, we might be staying over here in the main house.
She has that eye that she can see things that the rest of us honestly can't. Not Kelly and I anyway.
We can actually have guests over. Not our plastic plates.
Hey, don't be knocking our plastic plates, all right? Oh my goodness.
I know. It's really pretty.
Well, for one, now it's clean.
Aww.
To start. Again, this is my doing. We haven't figured out how to fix it yet. It's organized. Maybe it'll have to stay that way.
Everything is set now, so vice versa where you drill that. If you want to take it out, I'm done. I'm done. You got some chop them up.
If you need someone to help you to do this type of work, I cannot recommend anyone any more than I can recommend Myya B. We're pleased. We're 100% pleased. And having carpets to walk on, oh my goodness, that's a huge deal.
We cannot thank you enough. And if anybody is interested in her information, she does travel. We're gonna leave her information in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ding that bell so you can be notified for our next video. Hasta luego!
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below.